Welcome to the AMP Motorization video series. This installment will demonstrate switching between roller mode and shear mode. Tubular motors can toggle between two different preset options. One option is for roller shades, considered the default mode, and the other is for shear shades. To switch from roller mode to shear mode, press and hold the up and down buttons on the remote together until the shade jogs once. Press and hold the stop button and the shade will jog once, followed by a long beep. The shade is now in shear mode. When in shear mode, the shade will move in small increments when the up or down buttons are pressed. To move the shade in larger increments, press and hold the up or down button. To switch from shear mode to roller mode, press and hold the up and down buttons on the remote together until the shade jogs once. Press and hold the stop button and the shade will jog once, followed by 3 beeps. The shade is now in roller mode, meaning that one tap of the up or down button will send the shade fully in that direction without the short incremental jogs. Thank you for watching. Please visit ampmotorization.com for more information.